Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Pratyusha's Knowledge Hub. I'm your Dr. Pratyusha. From today we are going to discuss the new subject that is a digital logic design. So this name, digital logic design, is mainly dedicated to the computer students, that is CSE, IT, CSM, CSD students will be having the course with this name like digital logic design. Where coming to the electronic students, ECE and privileged students will be having the same syllabus with the different name like switching theory and logic design. The syllabus is same for both, that is computers and electronic students. So before starting a video today, there is a small announcement. Many people are seeing my videos but you are not subscribing to my channel. So please subscribe and press a bell icon to get the latest updates of my videos. And don't forget to share with your friends. So let's start a session. Firstly, we are going to discuss how this really is important for the following branches like CSE, IT, CSM, CSD, ECE, AIML, EEE and EEE branches. Okay, so the following slides we are going to discuss in today's section is how important this digital logic design is for the following branches and what are the applications this digital logic design where we are using, what are different applications, what are different real-time applications where we are using this digital logic design. We are going to see the applications. Next, after completion of this digital logic design course, what are the subjects related to these courses which you as a computer science students which you are going to learn in the further years, and as a electronic students and similarly as a electrical students, what are the subjects based on this as a basic subject, digital logic design as a basic subject. The further subjects what we are going to learn, we will be discussing that also. And finally, what is the outcome after completion of this subject? We are saying this is a basic subject for other subjects. So after completion of this course, what is the final outcome the student will be gaining after completion? So we will be seeing that also. And later in the last slide we are going to discuss the step-by-step process, how we are going to learn this digital logic design course easily. That is a step-by-step process we are going to discuss in the last slide. Okay, so let's start our session and go one by one. How is the digital logic design course is important for electronics, computers and electrical students? So this is a very important subject because it forms the foundation of understanding and creating the digital systems that power our modern world. So coming to this digital logic design, which is a building block of modern technology world, we can simply say that it is a combination or it is a language of computers and electronics, and without it students in this field would struggle to comprehend, design and innovative in a digital age. So coming to here, these are some of the importance of the digital logic design. Like firstly, we need to understand what are the digital systems. So digital, here the name itself is suggesting it is a digital. So digital is nothing but here we will be sending the data or receiving the data. Whatever the information we need to send is in the digital form, that is either in ones and zeros, that is a binary ones and zeros. So coming to the next, here we are going to solve different problems by using different methodologies. So coming to the next, it is regarding the computer architecture. In the computer also this digital plays a very major role. Electronics design, signal processing, whatever the signal we need to process, so that signal also we can process by using this digital signals. Next, automation and control innovations. Here these are some of the applications where we are using this digital logic design. That is a binary ones and zeros in order to send the information. Here I have mentioned some of the applications, okay, regarding the where we can use this digital logic design. And these are the some of the real-time applications where we are using this digital logic design. In what application we are using this digital logic design, in order to design that application and in order to implement that application, and we are using some of the applications regarding this like a robotics or security systems or like emergency responses. We are already using this. These some of the applications, healthcare monitoring, these are some of the applications which we are already using. Okay, here some of the extension subjects after completion of the digital logic design the computer science student will learn. And these subjects may vary based on your universities, because nowadays all colleges are autonomous and they are own framing their curriculum. So based on their requirement, they may change the subjects. But these are some of the common subjects which students are learning as of now. Okay, so these courses are mainly depend on the digital logic design, which is a basic course. So here comes the electronics and communication engineering students, what they are going to, what are the subjects they are going to learn after completion of the digital logic design or switching theory and logic design. As we discussed before, the course name can be changed. Okay, here the students will be continuing to explore a wide range of subjects which will be building a foundational knowledge. Okay, and coming to here, these subjects may vary based on, as we discussed before, based on the autonomous, as the colleges are autonomous, so based on the curriculum the subjects may vary. But whatever the subject you are selecting, for every subject, digital logic design is a, or a STLD, which is a switching theory and logic design, is a basic course. Okay, so these are some of the common areas which I have listed where this digital logic design is being used. And also as of now, the students, electronics and communication students, are learning these are some of these courses in their either third year or final year. Okay, so here comes the electrical engineering program students, that is a privileged students. After completion of the digital logic design course, these are some of the courses where you need the digital logic design as a basic subject, basic information. So these courses, as of now, the students are learning. These are the most of the courses in their third year and final year. Okay, so in these courses, while you are learning these courses, this digital logic design or switching theory and logic design will be helpful for you, since this one is a basic course. Digital logic design or switching logic design is a basic course. Okay, so what are the outcomes the student will get after completion of the digital logic design? As you can see here, these are some of the outputs the student will be gaining after completion of this digital logic design course. So they will be understanding what are the digital systems and how they can solve the problems by using different methodologies. Next, as a professional students, they can design their own circuit, and they will be having some programming logic. They will be having some logic simulation. They can simulate the logic, thinking logically, and they can think the critically, innovation. So these are some of the parameters the student can expect after completion of the course. Okay, as an outcome. So here comes the step-by-step process of a digital logic design that a student can learn easily. So these are some of the steps which we are going to follow in order to complete the digital logic design course. Okay, so step-by-step process. So here we are going to discuss more videos regarding the digital logic design, and I'll be solving some of the problems while explaining, and I will be giving some problems for your practice purpose. Okay, so these are some of the step-by-step process we are going to do in the digital logic design. Okay, so coming to next, hope this video might be useful for everyone. If you like my video, please give me a like symbol and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video.